Welcome home to this charming 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home in Raytown, Missouri. It is located just minutes away from Wildwood Lake, Arrowhead Stadium, and the Kansas City Zoo.
It sits on a spacious corner lot, giving you plenty of space for your outdoor summer fun. You're going to love the interior's modern finishes and open floor plan. Come make this house your home today.